Plastics, boon or curse? The plastic is really a boon and simultaneously a serious curse upon mankind. Plastic as a boon. Plastic is lightweight, low cost, durable, and has a wide variety of applications, ranging from toothbrush to overhead water storage tank. Plastics have certain advantages over metals and glass in wide variety of applications. Plastic pipes are not corroded by water. Plastics are used in the manufacture of hundreds of domestic items such as boxes, bottles, toys, bags, pens, combs, buckets, toothbrushes, chairs, tables, TV or radio cabinets, handles of pressure cookers, frying pans, etc. Plastics are used in almost all electrical appliances. Plastics are also used in automobiles and aircraft parts. We have become exceedingly dependent on plastics. It may be difficult to imagine our lives without plastics. Plastics as a curse. Plastics, though seem to be very useful, they can be very harmful as they produce harmful gases when burned. Microbes cannot destroy them. They are harmful to the soil and take hundreds of years to decompose. Plastic bags thrown away carelessly on roads and other places find their way into drains and sewage pipes. As a result, drains and sewage pipes are clogged and the water spills on the roads. Animals sometimes feed on plastic bags and die painfully as plastic chokes their digestive and respiratory tracts. Sometimes, bags collected by rag pickers are also used after washing them. Use of such recycled plastic bags to keep food items could be harmful for our health. Disposable syringes, drip bottles, blood bags, and other medical accessories, when disposed of in an irresponsible manner, cause a lot of serious health problems. When plastic is burnt, it produces harmful fumes. We cannot eliminate plastic by burning it. Plastic once manufactured cannot be destroyed by any means. Even manufacturing of plastics often creates large quantity of chemical pollutants. What can we do to minimize overuse of plastics and deal with garbage? Avoid accepting plastic bags. Carry a paper or a cloth or a jute bag when you go out for shopping. Don't store eatables in plastic bags. Use reusable and washable plastic containers instead of disposable plastic bags to store food. Choose food items sold in glass jars instead of plastic containers. Avoid using plastic chairs and tables. You can use wooden or metallic furniture. Don't dispose plastic items which can be recycled. Buy bulk cereals. Don't buy food items wrapped in plastic bags. Say paper, not plastic, at the grocery store. Plastic is made from crude oil. We can save crude oil if we minimize use of plastics. Use matches instead of plastic encased lighters. Encourage your family, friends, and others to follow proper practices for disposing different kinds of wastes. Go green and say no to plastics.